I wanted to show, guess what other data looks like on here. So I've got the construction project, and I've got it separated. So this, say you've gone to site, you've got this quite a large site here. I've got the address called construction. I'm sure it's confusing. And then I've got the job underneath it called car park. So you can click on car park. I've called it car park because that's the file, that's the job folder that I want to save all my information. I set out data and all my information that I record in car park. And then on the jobs, and the grids job is where I'm going to set out all the grids. So, you know, string lines and intersection points, that kind of thing. So I'm in car park. So now I get my face out of the way. I'll go in car park, sorry. I can either click and hold down here, go view data, make sure I've got the car park in here, and I might have my control points. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I'll go into, what am I going to do? I'm going to lay out lines. So I've got all this data here, I've got some control points that I drew in. The control points come in as triangles and they've got a higher weighting so that they're always sitting on top of the other circles. As you can see, it's sitting on top of this one. So it's just easier to find. But the control points, what's good about control points is they also come in as a separate file. So they're easy to find. So I can turn them off here, I can turn them back on. So if I'm setting up for the day, I might turn everything off and just have the control points on the file. Go back. All right, so I've got, this is what pretty decent size. That's a car park there. Got some piers, some concrete footings, some landscaping, stuff like that. So you can see how easy it is to come on, how easy it is to see on the tablet. So here's me selecting a line. Green flag is if I was to set out this line. I'll show you another video. That's like the start of the chainage, for instance. So I click on car park, set out the car park. All right, so say I open this, I want to just see the car park layer. So there's two, probably more ways of doing it. You can either go to the layers button down here, find the layer piece of paper that you want to find, that you wanted to see on the tablet. Basically, it's like a piece of paper. Click all off and then try and find the line mark. I'm guessing it's line marking. Did I get it? Look at that, got it right. But say I didn't know it was called line marking and I was a bit stuck. There's a button down here. We'll do another video called view, but just for instance, you can go to isolate button. And then down here you can freeze or isolate a layer. So I've clicked on the isolate button. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to click on this because I just want the car park turned on. Car park layer on. So now I've clicked on that layer. I might also want the boundary layer just for reference. And maybe I want these grid lines. Now I'm happy with that. Click tick. Now it's going to turn off all those layers and only have the boundary layer, the grids, and the line marking. So now if I'm setting up, I can hit those three control points. Hopefully there's one over here, or another one over here. The surveyors will know what I'm talking about, or everyone will know what I'm talking about. Hopefully we'll set up in the middle, set out those car parks, and then away we go. That's how easy it is to change layers, whether you're using the layers function or you're using this isolate button on the side here. If you want to have it all come back, just click here, and you can just click the eraser, tick, and they're all back on again. So that's a really cool way of getting your data organized, so it's a lot easier to use on site. Say you want to set up using the grid intersections. Here is a super quick, like 17 seconds, how to create points to set up with. Watch the next video to see how I do it.